Hey there! Do you want to know how to run the recorded macro inside of MS Excel, that too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, we are going to learn how we can record the macros in MS Excel. I'll take you through the complete steps to run the macro using a shortcut key, that too from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you, and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 152 and we are learning the Microsoft Excel macros and VBA tool in detail. So now that we have got our macro recorded in our last video, we can now try it out. So how do we run a macro? That's the question, that's the agenda for today's video. Well, like I mentioned earlier, there are multiple ways for you to do it. You can create shortcut keys like we saw earlier. When you first initialize the recording, you assigned a shortcut key, right? If you remember, you assigned the shortcut key. I assigned as Control L. But also you can create a button and you can put a button on the workbook itself, right? Or you can put button up inside the Excel interface like the ribbon or the quick access toolbar, right? So the first one here, I created a shortcut key. So just to start here, the first one which we did in the last video, we did that by creating a shortcut key. So I'm just going to run by using that shortcut key, whatever key combination I used, right? In my case, I did Control L. Well, to do this, we recorded this on the East Records worksheet. So that was already done, right? That was kind of your guinea pig. That's where we did the recording. Now I'm going to hop over to the Run Macro worksheet, the second one. And you can get this in your exercise file as well. If you have not yet downloaded the file, you can download the file using the link provided in the description of this video. So I'm now into my Run Macro worksheet and we have got the same setup here, right? Same data is record, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns that we have there, and so on. So now I'm just going to run the macro. So on my keyboard, I used Control L. You can recall back that what you have used in your macro while recording. So if you use shortcut key, recall that and you can press it now. So I'm going to press Control L. Look at that. How awesome, right? How awesome is that? One button press, one keyboard button press, and it did all of those steps for me. Isn't it good?
मजा आया.
I didn't count them earlier, but I inserted text. There were 6 values in the 6th column, right? So there is already 6 steps. I did some formatting as well. I think I did maybe 4 formatting, and I center aligned the column headers, right? So now there are around 11 different steps that I did there, and I formatted the currency amount there and selected that data. So all of those commands are all brought down and put into this macro that will help me automate the experience inside of Excel. Now I assigned the shortcut key that was Control L earlier. If you can't remember or recall what your shortcut key is, if you want to modify the shortcut key, or maybe you didn't assign a shortcut key and you now wish to assign a shortcut key, take a look how you can do that. So I am still in, say, the same workbook. This is where we recorded the macro. I will go to my developer tab, and on the left hand side I'm going to go into the macros. Give that a click. So inside of there I have got my single macro that I created, add format headers, right? You can find what you created there. So with it selected, lower right hand corner I have got an option or a button for option, and I'll give that a click, and inside of there I can see the shortcut key that I assigned, Control L, right? So I can change it here. I can see the descriptive notes as well. So I have got all of it right here, but if you want to assign the shortcut key at this stage, or if you want to change it, you can do it from here. But for me, it is all fine. So I'm just going to cancel and cancel out of there. So we recorded a macro and we now have tested it. We have been able to run the macro and see some real live automation taking place. So this is something kind of small. It's not so huge, 11, maybe 10 or 11 steps that we had inside there, but very cool. If this is something you do regularly, gathering data from other users, from other systems, bringing them into Excel, and now you need to start formatting them and cleaning it up, it's huge. It's going to save you so much time, so much manual process that you go through daily. Just automating it through a macro will save you tons of time. So make sure you try it out. Get in there, jump over to the run macro worksheet and run your shortcut key. Oh, one more thing.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
If a shortcut key is just not your thing, we are going to talk about the buttons in the further videos. But we could also go to the developer tab, macros, select the macro and click the run button. So whatever your flavor is, whatever you like to do, you have got options to be able to run it, right? So try it out. Run your macro and then sit back and relax and enjoy all the time that you are going to free up by automating your Excel experience.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. I hope that you have liked this video.
मजा आया.
And I hope that this will be helpful for you in the future task in Microsoft Excel to automate your task, right? So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on the channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life and take very good care of yourself.